This is a videotape presentation of the 2000 Daewoo DMV-400 APC. It's got your two-station rotary pallet changer. Fanuc 18IM control. Just looping it through a program right now to show the axes moving and the spindle running. Tool changes. Spindle's running at 1250 RPMs right now. This is a 10,000 RPM machine. Redid the thrust bearings on the X and Y. All the axes sound nice and smooth. It's at 2,500 RPMs. There's no tool in there, so you can kind of hear the drawbar vibrating in the spindle. It's 3,500. We went up to 4,000 on that one. Okay, we'll just do a quick overview of the machine. We have the transformer right there. Spindle chiller. Manuals. Here's our spec sheet. Electrical cabinet. Here's your coolant tank. Chip conveyor. Here's your feet pads, leveling blocks. Does have a light up here. and that completes this videotape presentation.